Breathing is essential for your health. And since we're spending a lot of time indoor, the indoor air quality is really important for you. You can't see bad air, so it's really important to understand where it comes from. Everyone knows about the dust under the bed, but there are other sources like chemicals when you're cleaning, mold and odors. Since I started this project, I actually started to measure my own indoor air. And I noticed that many of the activities that I do, like cooking and cleaning and so on, have more effect on the indoor air quality than expected. We're developing air purifiers. An air purifier is a quite simple device. It's a filter, it's a fan that are mounted in a plastic box. The first filter here is actually a pre-filter. It's a fabric catching the biggest particles. And inside here, this is the HEPA filter, HEPA 12 filter, catches all the smallest particles. And then we have the gas filter, and it consists of active carbon inside. And the whole secret with an air purifier is actually the filters. This is our first step, and we're really happy about the product that we have developed. And we are really excited to show you more in the future.